So I'm going to show you how to record calls on the Galaxy Tab A11. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first things first. First thing you want to do is set up the call recorder. So go to the phone app by tapping on that and make sure you're on the keypad, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. On the settings page, you should see record calls at the top. So tap on that. And then of course, it's going to ask you to download the English voice pack. So click on that or click OK. And then that's going to take you to the Samsung Galaxy Store. Go ahead and install that app. So this is basically the voice pack that informs you and the person on the other end of the call that the call is being recorded. So once it's installed, now you should see the record calls option is available, and you can choose whether to manually or automatically record calls. Okay, and this is where you'll be seeing your recorded calls. This is why you can choose where you want your recorded calls to be saved, either in the internal storage, or if you have an SD card, you can save it there. So if you want, you can enable auto record calls. Now this is also affected by your jurisdiction. So some places will allow you to record calls and some won't. So if you want to automatically record calls, then just go to settings, record calls, and enable this. Okay. Now, if you want to do it manually, you have to do it when you're inside a call or when you've already made the phone call. So for instance, I'm going to make a phone call here. And you can see the phone call right there. So now if I want to record, I'll just tap here and it's going to start recording. Now it will only record once it has been connected on the other side. So as soon as the person receives the call on the other end, the call recording will begin, as you can see. Once you end the call, the recording will be saved. So let's go and check if it's been saved. Let's go back there, settings, record calls, and recorded calls, and we have this recorded call. So that is how to do that. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.